Hey y'all, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with a quick Madam Glam haul. If you didn't see my previous one, I will link it up in the cards above. But I thought I would share with you what I recently picked up. I am going to split it into two videos just because swatching 20 nail polishes, 20, like I said, would be a big situation and a super long video. So I wanted to share with you, like I said, the polishes just I recently picked up. I picked up the entire Madam Glam Chapter 2 Two of a Kind collection. Came with 10 polishes. By the way, this video isn't sponsored. I'm at that level yet, but maybe one day by the end of the year I will be. But I purchased it with my own money. I am a Madam Glam VIB, so I have a subscription, which is like $29 a month US, which uses as credit towards your purchase. And then with that, you get 50% off your whole entire purchase, or all the items for the most part, off the website. So jumping into it real quick, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna swatch them as I go and then come back at the end to show you them with two coats, just so that this video isn't super long like my last one. So let me know in the comments down below how you prefer your swatch videos for like nail polishes, because your girl doesn't really do these kind of videos, but I'm trying to bring slightly new content to my channel, so it's not always the same old. So leave a comment down below on how you like your swatches to be done. So the first shade in the collection is this beautiful pinky, I don't know, pinky purple. It's a really pretty shade. And this is called 50 Shades of Pink. I really like the smell of Madam Glam nail polishes. They're super nice. Almost smells like candy. Next is another beautiful pink shade, and this one is You Free Tonight. It's like a softer pink. Another pink is this one called Cupid. It's a really like super light shade. It's almost like a creamsicle with a lot of white added to it. And like I said, that one's called Cupid. I feel like this collection has a lot of pink, which I'm all for, especially because it is about to be spring. This one is First Base. Next on the list is Dolvita. It's a really nice bright magenta. This is such a beautiful like fuchsia magenta tone. Now I am living for this shade. This is Fries Before Guys. It's a really pretty like marigold yellow. And this is gonna look stunning. Next on the list, we have Heartbreaker, which is really nice royal blue, super dark. That'd be a really pretty fall color, I think, if you're basing your polishes on seasons. Next is You Wish, which is more like a pink raspberry shade. Next, and second to the last, is Boy Bye, which is this really nice forest green. I think it's gonna be like another jelly color like Heartbreaker. It's gonna be a little more sheer, I think. And the final color in this collection is Single and Fabulous, which is a really nice coral, like red base coral.